Okay guys, for today's vlog, ayan, magluto tayo ng ulam. Ayan guys, tignan nyo naman ang aking batchoy. Ayan, isang kembot na lang guys, luto na to. Kasi templado na to, lalagyan na lang ng miswa. Ayan, patola ang gulay guys. At saka baboy at atay ng baboy. Ayan guys, lagyan natin na ng miswa. Ayan na guys, napakasarap ng aking batchoy. Ang daming lahok guys. Atay at baboy. Anto guys, isang malaking patola. Tapos, 2 balot na miswa. Ayan. Wow, sarap. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Love, love, love. Masarap to. Yay! Thank you for watching. Love, love, love. See you next vlog. Bye-bye. Love, love. Let's eat batchoy ni Mamita She.